This is true sea moss gel superfood, pineapple, centimeter review. Let's go. It smells like pineapple baby food or like canned pineapple, like just yum. So yum. Woo. All right, let's go. That's good. No hint of sea moss in that one either. Let's see. The ingredients: water, pineapple puree, wild crafted sea moss, rowan berry extract, monk fruit juice concentrate, and ascorbic acid. This is delicious. It is slightly sweeter rather than tart. Delicious, delicious. Really, really good. This would be great on a yogurt. Like to mix in with a yogurt because it is sweet and pineapple-y goodness. I really like it. Made in the USA, vegan, certified vegan, no heavy metals, gluten-free, non-GMO verified. 2 tablespoons per serving, 15 servings per jar. Refrigerate after opening.